Howdy folks. Hello folks.
Today we're going to be unboxing GoPro
7.
Hero 7.
It's very slick.
Slick?
Slick. I like the fact that you can put it underwater like this picture.
What do you expect from it?
High quality.
4K?
I don't know what that means. Let's see what's inside the box. Wow.
Ooh.
Instructions.
Stickers.
Perfect.
More instructions.
It's probably important to read though.
Okay, so here's the battery, charging cable, and little mounty doohickeys. And those sticky stooks. You stick them all over the place.
Oh, you put them on your phone.
Wow.
And you can videotape with your phone.
No. There, so that's that. Little sticky doohickeys, charging cable, and a battery, and the GoPro.
Squeeze. Like that. How is that waterproof though?
This is waterproof. The whole thing's waterproof. Okay, how do we turn this on? Oh wait, is this an extra battery or the only battery? Ah, you have to put a battery in it. To take it out. Oh, look at that. It's already working.
Is that my room?
Here we go. We go on the first full submersion. So wrong. So here we go again. I really hope it's waterproof. So there's a red light that comes on, so you know you're recording.
It says 3, 2, 1, go!
Yep.
I can't!
So this is with hyper smooth on.